Art is often discussed inside medical spaces. It is called therapy, treatment, or support. These words are important, but today, I want to talk about something different. I want to talk about art beyond therapy. In many communities, people living with mental health conditions create art in workshops, welfare centers, and cultural spaces. Sometimes this art begins as a way to cope with pain or confusion. Sometimes it begins simply as a daily activity. But once it enters a shared space, it becomes something more. It becomes communication. When people gather around a table to draw or paint, they do not ask for diagnoses. They do not ask about symptoms. They look at colors, shapes, and gestures. They respond with curiosity, not judgment. This is where the gap between mental health and society begins to close. Art therapy often aims to help a person return to stability. It can reduce anxiety and create safety. This role is important, but community art does something else. It moves creativity into public space. When artworks are shown at local exhibitions or cultural events, the meaning changes. The work is no longer only a patient's expression. It becomes part of a shared cultural moment. Visitors do not meet an illness. They meet a work. This shift matters. For the creator, being seen as an artist, even for a brief moment, can restore dignity. For the community, the artwork becomes a point of connection. People begin to ask new questions. What do I feel when I see this? Why does this move me? These questions replace fear with engagement. In this way, creativity builds bridges that medicine alone cannot build. Art does not erase suffering. It does not magically cure illness. But it changes relationships. It creates spaces where people can exist without explanation. My research focuses on these spaces: community workshops, local exhibitions, small cultural events, places where art is not used to correct people, but to meet them. When society makes room for these practices, mental health becomes a shared issue, not a hidden one. Creativity reminds us that connection does not always need words. Sometimes, it begins with a line, a color, or a quiet moment of looking together. Art is not only therapy. It is a social act. And through it, we learn how to live together.